What's good, everybody? It's your boy, Dish Money Man. I guess with the first video on trading, question mark. Man, honestly, I've been wanting to do this for like, who knows how long, maybe 3 years now, and now that we're continuously getting better and everything, the tribe is growing, and the ones around me are also eating off of this as well. I thought to just post this setup on my social media. I also want to connect with other people as well, other traders in the community, other people who want to get into trading, others who have been doing this and have just been secretly trading, that secret agent or whatnot. Also, any realtors, man, anybody into real estate, any entrepreneurs, traders, man, day traders, man, whatever. Like, let's connect, man. Smash that follow button, man. I always follow back. But I do want to share the setup that I had this morning. It was Euro USD. It was a 4-to-1 risk to reward. Means that I grew my account 4%. I risked 1% for every apple that I risked, which was 1. I gained 4 back. And my account then, end result, grew. So, let's get to it, man. Alright, so here's what I did. Alright, so from a daily perspective, I already knew I was bullish. Alright, I knew that I was bullish. Let me remove this. I knew that I was bullish. Alright, price then came into this area right here. Alright, we swept the low, and then we began, rallying up and everything. So what I did, let's go back over here. I had a target in mind. Alright, assuming that we were bullish, I did have a target in mind. And on the 4 hours, I actually thought it was gonna actually continue going bearish, actually, because we've seen that it's been, trending lower and lower, okay? And there was like an institutional candle right over here. What makes it the institutional candle? Liquidity swept right over here, bow, and then we drop, okay? But like we've all heard before, higher time frame trumps all, okay? So boom, I had a target in mind, because when I went to the 30 minutes, what we didn't see, oops, my bad, was this area of liquidity over here. We have all the people that was in the market before, they actually sold over here, okay? They sold over here, so that means my target is eventually, like, it's gonna have to come up here. All right, this high wasn't swept from Sunday. All right, so this is my target, and like I said, the higher time frame trumps all. All right, so I am overall bullish, and this is my my daily target. Okay, so we noticed that yesterday we were bullish. All right, price swept these highs over here. All right, and it was a clean setup that I missed. Unfortunately, it is what it is, but it was fairly nice though. All right, we see that on a daily time frame, price swept these equal lows. All right, came in here and price swept liquidity. So I came into the market today with the premises of me just being bullish. All right, I am bullish. So let's go to Wednesday. This is Tuesday of yesterday. Let me see, Tuesday, perfect. Now I'm looking for like the Asian low and the Asian high per usual. Let's go to midnight right there. All right. All right. So I'm always marking my Asian low, where my Asian low is, and where the midnight is, because this is where the price resets daily. All right. this is the Asian high. Oops. Asian high, we have our Asian low. Alright, and this is the area of consolidation where we typically like to see prices, you know, chill around here. Alright, we have yesterday's high over here. Alright, and now I'm anticipating price to come below these lows for this to work. So what we do end up seeing is that price does in fact trade below the lows, and we actually come into this area right over here, which is amazing. All right, amazing. Shout out to D5 Go Live, man. My boy Dervin's in the cut, and Gideon, man. Them boys are killing the markets with EU right now at this time frame. So I know them boys are 8. All right, so boom, we come into this institutional candle right in here that was left yesterday at 3. All right, we trade below the lows, and now I'm expecting the high to get taken. All right, boom, comes back into this bullish order flow 515. And we just take off. All right, so now this is an expansion. 645. There was news at about 8. The 715, 730, 745, and here's 8. Perfect. So now we're on a 15-minute time frame. Okay, so now we already noticed that there's a break of structure right over here. This is my daily buy stop liquidity area right over here. I want to target where liquidity is. All right, all those people, like I said before, that sold over here, all their stop losses are above, maybe over here and whatnot. Okay, and that's what I'm actually really just targeting. So what I'm going to do now, all right, mark that this is a break of structure, or maybe a continuation of structure, whatever you guys want to call it. All right, I'm going to the lower time frame, and I'm looking for an area of interest. Okay, where is the Asian high? So Asian high is over here. And one thing that I learned from ICT is that whenever price comes back into the Asian high area, we're also anticipating institutional buying. All right, so I'm looking for a clean area to come back in to take price. Okay. Minutes. This is a clean area right over here. Alright, so then what I did, let's just wait and see what price does. Price then comes back into here. Alright, 820, and mind you, there's news at 830. Alright, and this is what I noticed. Let's go into the 5-minute real quick. This is the area that I'm actually looking at. Let's see if price can come into here in this zone. Alright, let's take this instead. This was an imbalance or a fair value gap inside, and I'm looking to take price up at this area at the 50 level. All right, we still love our quarter theories. Boom. Stop loss below the low, 11 pips, and then we're targeting liquidity. All right, already this is already at a 2 to 1 right over there, but that is not my trading plan. My trading plan is 4 and 5 to 1. So where else where else could I be targeting? Let's go to the 30 real quick. All right, we have liquidity right over here. Perfect. All right, and that's what I'm targeting. So let's see exactly what happens. We're below the Asian high. All right, we're in that area. Perfect. Boom, boom, boom. Trade put me in. All right, this was the fair value gap. Mind you, I caught this while like getting ready to go to the office, you know. And there you have it, 4-1 right there. You know, like I said, for every apple that I risked, I gained 4 apples back. And this was ultimately a clean setup. All right, and that's how we did it. It would have been the same thing how we just sold. A+ quality trade. Let's get it. Hope you guys loved it. Follow for more, or not even follow for more. Follow so we can connect. Y'all be easy, man.